everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Of Ashe and Steel on PC. Let's get right into it. Open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click the folder with your username. Look for the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click the View tab at the top. Select Show, then click Hidden Items. Once you can see App Data, open it. Inside App Data, open the local folder. Find and open the folder named Of Ashe and Steel Game. Open the Saved folder. Open Save Games. Inside this folder, you will find all your save game files for Of Ashe and Steel. Go back to the Saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Open the folder named Windows No Editor. Double-click GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains all your game configuration settings, such as graphics, resolution, and other preferences. Step 3. Locate your Steam Cloud saves. Go back to the local folder. Open the folder named Of Ashe and Steel. Open Saved. Open Save Games. Inside this folder, you will find your Steam Cloud save files. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.